Hello everyone, today I'm gonna tell you how to download the Black Ops 4, how to install the shield aka Project-BO4 client for the Black Ops 4, and also gonna talk about some errors and just other stuff. So let's begin. So first things first, go to the Discord, and if you're new and you went to the red codes, first you do all stuff when you join the server. You read the rules, you click on this green button to get verified. If you're not getting verified, you can ask mods to do the thing if they're not busy. So you're gonna get verified, and after getting verified, you're gonna get roles thing. And here you scroll down, you click on this React message, and you are getting the Call of Duty player role. If it's not happening after some time, same thing, ask mods to give you the mod like Akin or this thing. So after getting the role, you're gonna get this tab, this like channels. So you go to the games and clients, and you're gonna have like Black Ops 4 client. It can be here, it can be here, so it's gonna be for you like that. So you scroll down here until you see links. So first thing, before even downloading anything, let's make sure that you have enough space on your disk, because the game itself gonna take to up to 141 gigabytes, so it's better for you to have at least 150 gigabytes or 160 gigabytes free space on your disk. So yeah, make sure. Next thing that we're gonna do is, if you don't have Battle.net, click on the first link. It's gonna open this website for you. So here you click on download Battle.net. So it's gonna download the thing, you install the thing. If you don't have account, you create a new account and log in if you already have account. Launch the Battle.net and log in. So you're gonna get this thing, and you can close it, and if you're gonna see it's in system tray, that it's running on the background, that's good, that's what we need. So next thing that you have to do is get the files to download the Black Ops 4. There's link number 2, or if the link number 2 doesn't work for you, you can go to link 2.1. It's the mirror, it's on the Google Drive, just in case if this one doesn't work for you. So click on the second link. So you're gonna get this website. You click download folder, and you can see that it's downloading here. So open the thing. If you don't know where this stuff is downloading, like you don't get it in your download manager, it's either in downloads, or if you don't have it in downloads, you go to the documents and it should be here. So let's get the thing. Let's go somewhere. You can unzip this thing whenever you want, whenever it's like comfy for you. When it's comfy, you unzip the thing. So you do unzip the thing, and you're gonna get stuff like that. Let me close this thing. So you're gonna get stuff like that. So the first error that you can get while doing the thing is this kind of error, like when you're gonna do the all things, but it's gonna tell you that it's not recognized, yada yada. So in order to fix this issue, what I'm gonna do is go to the Windows Defender, virus and threat protection here, manage settings, you scroll all the way down, exclusions, add or remove exclusions, yes, click add an exclusion, folder, and you look for the folder BL4 free. So you select the folder, great, you can see that it's in your exclusions, so you close the thing, you launch the botnet.bat file. If you don't see like bat, exe, you go to the view, file name extensions, you turn this thing on, and you're gonna see the extensions. So you launch the thing. You can launch this without admin rights, or if it doesn't work, you can launch with admin rights. Don't launch this exe file, you need to launch bat file. This is very important. So next thing is selecting the path. If you're not gonna do anything, you're just gonna press enter, it's gonna select this path by default. But if you wanna do your own path, you look at the name of your disk, like this letter, column, something. It can be C, it can be D, it can be F, whatever. For me it's E. So let me explain how the path work for the Windows. For example, you want to download games on your disk E, so it's gonna be like that, column \. So you do column \, and don't leave it like that because it's gonna download game files here. So to download it somewhere else, like on this disk, you're gonna name the folder, for example, Black Ops 4. So it's gonna create a folder for you, and it's gonna download inside that folder. In case you have like a subfolder, for example, the special one for the games, you go to your subfolder and you click on this tab here, and you can see how it's written here. So you can just copy the thing here, you can Control C, and in CMD you do Shift Insert and / name of the folder, Black Ops 4. So as you can see, if I'm gonna click enter, it's gonna do this thing, and as you can see, the folder is created. So you see this line, playable false. Completely ignore this line, like completely. You don't need the thing. If it's true, if it's false, it doesn't matter, you don't need that. You need only progress to be at 100%. If you see it stuck, it's okay, just give it some time. Sometimes it doesn't update the thing because you trying to select something, some data, and it doesn't update, so click enter, and sometimes it's gonna do the thing. It's gonna start downloading the thing when there's gonna be more files appear. It's just taking some time to get the data. So why should you ignore this like thing completely? Imagine that you trying to install some mod and you don't have the complete game. It's playable, but it's not complete. And your mod trying to get some data from your game, and it's trying to achieve some files, but it doesn't exist because it's not complete. And the mod, it's not gonna work. Same thing with client. You have to have all game files in order it to work properly. So ignore this, you only need the progress at 100%. And also this thing should hook with your botnet. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it can immediately hook up to this botnet, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know how does it work. So you're just gonna give it some time to process the thing. Because, for example, if I'm gonna launch the thing in download manager, you can see it's downloading the thing. Sometimes it can do this thing immediately, sometimes it can do this thing after like some minutes, and sometimes it's not gonna hook with botnet at all. So it's just how it is. So if you're gonna get this thing in botnet, you can completely close the CMD, you don't need this anymore. So you can pause the download, you can continue the download as long as it's inside the botnet. Okay, we got the game downloaded, as you can see here. If you're gonna hover over play and it's gonna say that game requires to log in or something else, you're not gonna be able to click this button because you don't own the game. You're not gonna launch the game via botnet, we're gonna launch the game via client. So let's install the client, but before installing the client, let's go back to Windows Defender. Virus and threat protection, manage settings, and let's add the game folder to exclusions. If you have different antivirus or extra antivirus, Google how to do specific action for the specific application, because no one can know what program you have to protect your PC from viruses. So add an exclusion folder. Let's go to the game folder, backup store, select. So we can scroll all the way down here and see that the game is in exclusions. Nice. So next thing that we're gonna do is go to the BR for free. This LPC folder, we copy the LPC folder, we go back to game folder and paste LPC folder here. Done. Nice. Now let's download the client. So open the shared link. You're gonna get this GitHub page. Scroll all the way down here and you can see it. There is the client. Click on this thing and it's gonna download the thing, but it's also gonna say that there's a virus. I'm using the Firefox, so it allows me to just allow download. If you're using Opera, Chrome or whatever, Google how to allow download the quote-unquote virus files on your browser. So when you got this zip file, for most of you the zip files gonna look like the Windows one, the Windows Explorer one, because sometimes when you open the thing, it's not gonna open via WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, it's gonna open via Explorer like that. So it's gonna look like that for you. And how to unzip this thing in your game folder? You go to the you have this zip file, you open another one, go to your game folder, you select all files here, drag and drop, so it's gonna unzip the thing. Alright, you can close the thing now, and we have the client installed, we have the game downloaded, so let's launch the client. More info, run anyway. As you can see, it's downloading the files, so just give it some time. Turn all volume down because no one needs the music. If you're gonna see different background, it's okay, because every time you launch the game, the client, it changes the background sometimes to different one, like that. So here you can see the change name option. If you're not gonna change your name, it's gonna be your PC name. So here you can change your name, press OK, and it's gonna change your name. Do that once. Change IP address, you can change IP address, but it's set by default on the public one. So if you wanna change IP address, you can change, but to play online. This one is most used one, the most stable one, so don't change that if you wanna play online. And click online. So you're gonna see this thing pop up with Lenny face and CMD pop up. That means that you have the client installed correctly and it's working. So let's wait a bit. Okay. As you can see by the letters and Project-BO4 here, that client is working, and also stuff here. So from now on we can go to the, for example, zombies, and here you're gonna get this thing called shield options. You click on that, and here you can unlock all. You can set your username, you can do most of the things. So yeah, if you wonder how you unlock, how you set the rank, etc, etc, all in this shield options button. If it disappears sometimes, how did I fix that? I click on the custom, went to the select map and roles, went all the way back, over here, just click, 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 whatever, leave lobby, and that button should reappear. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, because I don't know, maybe bug, maybe something else, but yeah, this happens. Okay, good. So up to the different questions that you've been asking. For example, what to do when you get an error like that. Changing IP gonna save your day. So if you're gonna get error like that, or if you're gonna have like disconnected from the server, change IP and it's gonna save your day. Next issue that people are getting, even though doing the tutorial, this type of error, this one. This thing can be pop up on your screen because something is deleting the file in the Project-BO4 files MP. If you don't see this type of file, something deletes the file, so you have to do investigation on your own to check what application you have that deletes the file, or if a file's here but you're still getting this thing, that means your client is outdated. So how do you update the file? You have this Project-BO4 updater, you just open this thing and it's gonna update the thing. If you don't have bad file here, you're gonna get this update folder. You can copy this file, paste it here and run. So yeah. Another thing, people asking how to play with friends, how to do specific stuff. So in your game folder you're gonna get this internet shortcut. So I'm gonna get this GitHub documentation for this mod. So there's like in this section here, you can see how to set up your own server, how to do modding, how to play online, how to connect with friends, commands to start games. and other stuff. And like if you're gonna get the black screen, this thing, the last one helped me because I got the black screen. So another important thing is commands to start the games. Like for the multiplayer, if you getting the line that says that you need like 3 more players to start the thing, you do this thing in the console, and then do this thing in the console. How to open the console? You press on the tilde, you ask me what the hell is tilde. Go with the thing. What is tilde? Tilde key. So you can see here, it's near 1 and tab, like on the multiple pictures. If you have like small keyboard, like 55% or 60, FN escape should save your day. But if it doesn't, Google the thing how to open the console on your keyboard, like on 60 keyboard. Shift escape, FN escape. So yeah. If you have any questions, you can go to Red server, Red basement, and in support you can ask the thing. You can first of all search your issue here, keyword like BO4, and look for the issue. And if you can't find the thing, you can ask here. Ask helpers. Do not add Red or his girlfriend. And also, it's all volunteer work, so be patient and respect our time and stuff, because me personally, I can be very busy doing my own things, doing my own work, so yeah. Be patient and respect other people. Also, there's like official should Discord server, so here you can ask the developer itself about like stuff that you want to know. There's also release section. You can see what's being added, what's being removed, updated. There's also useful public server IP. This thing shows like what IP you have, like this one that you connect by default, and this one, the second one. If you're gonna click on this thing, it's gonna redirect you to this panel. It's gonna show you players, how many players online, and what they are doing. Like, they playing zombies, or they playing multiplayer, what lobbies is up right now, etc, etc. I'm gonna leave all useful links in the comments. So you're gonna join this server, you're gonna join Red Basement server, and you're gonna get the show documentation. If you have your own suggestions, you can click here, read the rules first, and then suggest your own thing. So yeah, I hope I helped you to download the thing, install the thing, and working without issues for you. So yeah, enjoy the game, have a nice day, and peace.